Using the point sample method of sampling using the magic wand tool is not a bad way to collect samples or to select an area. By default, Photoshop will set it at point sample. That means when you click the magic wand in an area, only that spot, that dot, usually one pixel, one by one, is selected. But when you click on the sample size menu, you'll see that you've got 3 by 3, 11 by 11, 51 by 51. So what that tells you is that Photoshop will select the average information of an area 3 pixels by 3 pixels or 51 pixels by 51 pixels, 101 by 101. The average information. So that can mean a lot of things depending on the sample that you're using. For me, I rather use the technique that I just showed you with the point sample as the default, and then we can go ahead and expand upon our selection using the tolerance values. So let's go ahead and demonstrate, and I'm just going to go up here and select. Well, let's see. Let's go ahead and try. Let's go ahead and go with 3 by 3. And what happens is when I select the blue piece, and pretty much all it really does is it kind of selects more of the piece, and as you can see I have it under additive, I believe. And instead, let's go to the red one here. Let me just try to, we've already touched the blue, so let's try the red, and I want to make sure that I do select a new sample because of the new piece. And as you can see that with 3 by 3, more of this piece is being selected. Not the entire piece, but once I click on additive, it makes selecting this piece, this particular piece, a lot simpler. And I'm just going to go ahead and try to surround the marching ants around this red piece and see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and copy, create a new document, and paste. Okay, well, not bad, I'd say. Not bad at all. All right, let's go ahead and remove that. And this is a rather short video, so we're going to go to the next video, which is about the quick select tool. Let's go there.